There's a lot of inspiration in a lot of places. And sometimes you don't look for it, it just kind of comes to you. You know, I love airplanes. I think they're amazing inventions and creations, and some of the older ones, when you see them up close, is really impressive. You know, people used to build those things by hand. Doesn't necessarily mean that I always take those things and put them into builds, but it definitely, when you see something creative, it gets your creative mind going, and that kind of helps influence your creativity. My name is Tony Prust, and I am the owner and CEO of Analog Motorcycles. So I do just about any and everything. I do the design, the fabrication, the parts designs, pretty much everything. Being near a big city like Chicago, and even, you know, close to Milwaukee as well, you get a good bit of riding community. There's a lot of shows and events and things that go on between cities that kind of make building bikes fun. We can take them to shows, we can take them to places and show them off that, you know, are readily available just by cruising. The city isn't necessarily conducive to riding. I prefer country roads with zero traffic. We usually, when we go ride up north into Wisconsin and find back road, twisty roads, whatever we can find that's less congested. Hoping we get some twisty roads, hoping we find some dirt.